Hello everyone, in today's documentary, we will explore how a modern high-tech train, the Astromotion X900, is built from start to finish, from the first sketch on paper, to the powerful machine you finally see in the showroom. Every step you're about to see is based on real engineering, real factories, and real technology used in next-generation MRT trains. So let's begin the journey with step number 1. Every great machine begins with an idea. Inside the design studio, engineers gather around a large table and create the very first concept sketch of the shape of the train, aerodynamics, door placement, cabin style, and passenger comfort. Everything is imagined right here. This is the moment when a simple pencil drawing starts its journey toward becoming a real, powerful train. Once the sketch is approved, it is transferred into the CAD system. On high-performance computers, engineers begin building a full 3D digital model of the train. Every screw, every panel, every motor, every seat, all designed with extreme accuracy. Exploded views, stress simulations, airflow tests, and material analysis are completed at this stage. This digital model becomes the official blueprint of the entire train. Now the real factory work begins. Large aluminum and steel sheets are cut using CNC laser machines. Robotic cutters shape the body panels with micro-level precision. Steel beams, floor frames, roof panels, everything is manufactured right here. This is where raw metal transforms into parts that will later form the full skeleton of the train. Next comes one of the heaviest and most important stages. The chassis and bogie assembly of the massive chassis is placed on industrial supports. Overhead cranes carefully lower the bogies, the wheelsets that carry the entire weight of the train. Suspension units, braking systems, and motor mounts are installed. Once this step is done, the train finally stands on its own wheels. Now it is time to build the outer body. Inside the robotic welding bay, metal sheets are fused together to create the full body shell. Laser alignment ensures every panel is perfectly positioned. Bright sparks fly, but the process is extremely controlled and accurate. Within a short time, a raw metal frame becomes a complete train shell. This is the stage where the train receives its power, its heartbeat. Under the train, technicians install electric traction motors, inverters, power cables, braking control units, and safety electronics. Every connector is checked, every wire is tested, because the reliability of this system directly affects passenger safety and long-term performance. Just like the outside, the inside must be perfect. Seats are installed, LED information screens are mounted, handrails are fixed, and flooring is completed. Lighting panels, CCTV cameras, emergency systems, and air conditioning ducts are fitted. Slowly, the empty metal shell turns into a comfortable, modern MRT cabin. Now the most critical phase begins: testing. The train first undergoes static tests, brake pressure, electrical safety, door cycle testing, emergency systems, vibration control. Then the train is moved onto a dedicated test track. IT runs at low speed, and then at high speed, while engineers monitor live data on their systems. Only after passing all these tests does the train receive approval for real-world operation. Now the train receives its true identity, its paint and its colors. Inside the paint booth, robots spray a metallic silver base coat, then Singapore blue accent lines are added with precision. The wet paint reflects beautifully under the industrial lights, giving the train a premium futuristic look. Finally, the official name decal, Astromotion X900, is applied. And now, the moment everyone has been waiting for. Inside a luxury white English-style showroom, the fully completed train is revealed under bright spotlights. Its metallic body shines across the marble floor. Engineers, officials, and media gather to celebrate the launch of the Astromotion X900. Stands ready to join the future of the MRT network. So friends, that was the complete journey of how a modern MRT train is built, from a simple sketch to a real machine ready for passengers. If you enjoyed this detailed manufacturing documentary, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and tell us which machine you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.